And Laban Mangapandle, those who are saying that we are xenophobic, that is nonsense. That is rubbish. You people are talking nonsense. You came here in South Africa. We don't know how did you come here. You didn't follow the proper procedures of visiting another country. You just did whatever that you did to come here in South Africa. Now that you are here, you are selling drugs here, you are making money with your drugs by killing us as South Africans. In your country, especially Nigerians, there are bandits there. People are kidnapping people. People who are killing people live on cameras. People who are causing trouble all over in your country. Now we are here in South Africa. You are busy claiming that your country is better than South Africa. Your country is better than South Africa. You are talking rubbish again. You guys in your country are using Naira. What is Naira compare Rand? Because we are using Rand here. What is Naira compare Rand? Stop fooling yourself. Stop this rubbish of your pride and stuff. This is our country. This is our home. We didn't run away from this country. Our forefathers, our fathers, our brothers, us, we stood. We fought for this country. You people are running away from your own country. The country that you are claiming that is better than South Africa. Why you are here if this South Africa is not bad, is not better? Why don't you stay back at home where you are coming from? Now you are busy lying on social media saying that Nigeria is better than South Africa. Even everything in Nigeria is rotten. Your Lagos is a rotten town as you are busy polluting our Durban here, our Durban city. You are polluting Joburg. Everywhere, everything you touch, it becomes rotten. You people are stupid. The only thing that you know is to make drugs. I know that there are those Nigerians or other foreign nationals who are doing a proper job. Like my friend Andy, he was a deputy principal there by my home state. That guy, since he came here in South Africa, I think it was around 1993, he was doing a good business. He was working as a teacher. He never sold drugs or whatsoever. You people are stupid. Especially you people who are staying here in Durban.